Hello guys and welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a furnace that refuels itself automatically by using a zero-tick bamboo farm. It's also in the design of a typical village house because I like to make my farms look neat and realistic. Basically how it works is you put resources into a furnace and it automatically refuels itself, so you never have to add in any coal or anything really. It's very sustainable, it's very good. This lever here is basically used to pause the machine and shut it off if you ever need to open it up and do maintenance on it. So the lever isn't really that commonly used. Over here is what it looks like without the house thing around it. If you want, you can just get a quick look. As you can see, it doesn't really involve much redstone or anything. There isn't actually glass here. I'm just using it to stop bamboo from falling out everywhere. And here's what each individual layer looks like, just to help you visualize all the redstone components and stuff. And here are the materials you're going to need. So first up, you're going to need 2 redstone dust, 2 repeaters, 2 torches, 2 comparators, 1 lever, 1 regular piston, 1 sticky piston, 1 furnace, 1 hopper, 3 bits of sand, 1 bit of bamboo, 1 torch. The torch may seem optional, but it's very important because the bamboo needs a light source in order to grow. 4 glass panes, these are decorational, 12 spruce logs, 48 oak stairs, 61 bits of cobblestone, and 1 oak wood slab. Well, it doesn't really matter what type of wood you make the slabs, stairs, and logs out of, because they're just going to be for the roof and side bits. But anyway, let's get on to the tutorial. I'm going to be doing this layer by layer for you guys. So, first up, mark out a 3x3 space with bits of wood, and add in some stone around the edges, like that. And wherever you want the front to be, just put a hole in the ground. If this side's the front, this is where the hole would be, basically. Now, add a sticky piston, a block, a torch, and a piece of redstone dust. Now add a block here, and, one of our blocks of sand, like so. That's the first layer complete. And onto the second layer, let's first just build it up. We're going to be leaving holes for our windows. It's only going to be 3. Wait, sorry, it's actually 3 glass panes, not 4. I made a mistake, I'm very sorry. And I really should have actually thought about that beforehand. Anyway, so, in this layer, we're going to place a block here and here. And we're going to add a redstone repeater facing in this direction. You can see the piston starts rapidly moving backwards and forwards. I'll add a block here. And place a second block of sand on top like so. Now what you're going to want to do is add a block here. And that is that layer complete. Now on to the next layer. Here we're going to add our furnace in the top right corner. Sorry, not 3 furnaces, just 1. Cover this area with cobblestone once more. And now you're going to add in a hopper facing towards the furnace. So just tap on the furnace when you place it, and make sure you crouch faster so you don't open up the furnace. You should be able to see a little bit pointing in here. Anyway. Now add an extra bit of sand on top. Add a piece of redstone dust. Now add a lever here opposite the piston. And flick that lever to turn that annoying noise off, just temporarily while we get it set up. Then place a comparator facing in this direction, so the singular torch is on this side and the double torch is towards the hopper. Just face in this direction when you place it down, so it's doing so. Now, add your second torch on top like this. Okay, so for the next level we don't need to worry about adding wood since this is all going to be concealed by the roof. Oops. Like so. And then wrap a layer of oak stairs around because we're starting work on the roof at this height. It should look like this now. I also forgot, you need to add a block here, a block here, and a block here. And 2 blocks like this. So now what you do is you place a repeater facing in this direction. And make sure it's on a 1 tick delay, so just tap on it once so the torches are just 1 space apart. Then add your singular bit of bamboo here, like that, and place your torch here. It should now look like this. Okay, so for our next layer, wrap stairs around like so. And also, in order to make sure it works, try flicking this lever here. The bamboo should grow, but it shouldn't be harvested yet. That's what should be happening, and if you break it, it'll grow back pretty fast. Okay, now add a regular piston like this, and 2 more blocks of stone here and here, so that the bamboo doesn't go falling anywhere. Now that you've done that, just wrap more stairs around, and also you can put a bit of cobblestone here. Then to finish it off, add a plank to the top, like that. Now, just flick this lever here to get it active. It's going to be making this sound for a while until this furnace is completely filled up with bamboo. That shouldn't be much of a problem. But yeah, it's all complete now. Thank you guys for watching. And also, another thing, if you wish to be able to leave it for a while and smelt multiple items without changing it out, hold up. Okay. What you can do is add another hopper in front of it, facing into a block ahead, and then add your furnace there. Just place back that random log. Then add a double chest down here, and place a hopper on top. Then place a hopper on top of this furnace, then a double chest on top of that. Make sure you crouch when placing so you don't accidentally open it instead. But by doing this, you can place multiple different items in and have multiple different items smelted out and leave this running for quite a while. It's mainly for if you don't really want to build other versions of this and just want to keep it like that. And also if you don't want to change out items constantly. But anyway, that's my tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and goodbye.